Got those spicy garlic wings right there. There it is right there. Welcome back to the show, Cooking with Manual Focus. Let's go. Today we're making those spicy garlic wings. You're gonna need a cup of flour, you're gonna need some chicken wings, and then that usual seasoning. Right now we're gonna hit it with some olive oil. Go in there with the claw and get those wings coated. Now we're gonna put it into that flour and we're gonna let these wings rest. Place your oven on 400 degrees and then we're gonna bake these wings for about 45 minutes to an hour. Halfway through the process, you want to take them out because they look a little bit ashy. Give them a flip. Then after it's done cooking, place your oven on broil and then bake them to your desired crispiness. Hey, by the way, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get back to this recipe. You're gonna go in with some butter, some minced garlic, let that thing brown. Then you're gonna hit it with some W sauce, some cayenne pepper with some pepper, then your hot sauce. Add a little bit of honey, let that thing simmer for about 2 minutes. Ooh-wee. There you have it. We got the wings, they're ready to go. They're golden brown. Now we're gonna sauce these wings up. And then after that, you're gonna pour that sauce on those wings, and then we're gonna get these wings a toss in that sauce, because you that boss, right? All right, so there you have it. You got those spicy garlic wings right there. I know you see them. Look at that. Hey, those things look delicious. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get that taste test out the way, because you already know how we do it. There it is right there. Ooh-wee. Now that's fantastic. That's absolutely delicious, man. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And if you've been rolling with me for a while, man, you already know I'm about to smash into these wings, man. We'll see you guys later. Peace.